Okay, girlies, you better listen up, cause I'm about to put you on. Do you hear me? I'm about to put you on. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliyah Nicole, if you didn't already know. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like. Oh my goodness, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for me, pretty please, cause I'm trying to get monetized. Do you hear me? And leave a comment, okay? Interact with me. I love talking to you guys. So today, I'm back with another DIY. Y'all know them cute little fuzzy bear shoes that's been going around? Yeah, these and them and all of those. I'm gonna show you how to make them. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. The reasons I can't have you. Let me show y'all what all we're gonna need to make these little slides, okay? It's super easy. You only need 4 things. I have these stuffed animals. I got them at Five Below. I thought it would be cute to have like a mismatch type of thing. So one side blue, one side green. They got little wings on the back, but that don't really matter because that's where we're gonna be stepping, and I live in Pepper Steppers. Oh my goodness, like y'all can see my pants on the ground. Like, excuse me. So in addition to our stuffed animals, the most important parts, we're going to need some socks. I got this pack of socks at Dollar Tree for $1. We're going to need some needle and thread. This is just hair needle and hair thread because that's what I have. It don't matter, needle and thread. And you're going to need some scissors. What I do first is cut the tag off because you don't need that and it's gonna look tacky. But then I go in and I cut a line straight across the belly. Some stuffed animals come with a line already there, but mine didn't, so I made one and I cut it. And you want to remove some fluff so your foot can actually fit in the stuffed animal. If you don't remove the fluff, it's gonna be real hard, real difficult. So take out enough and then see if your foot can fit. Right here, I put the sock on top of my sock. And now I'm gonna put it inside the bear, and I'm going to leave the sock inside the bear. So I'm gonna remove my foot, but I'm gonna leave the sock in there because we're gonna sew it up straight like that. So then I just go through and I sew around the circle. I use a pretty simple stitch pattern, just in and out on all sides, and I go all the way around. If you need to, you're gonna have to stretch the sock so it can fit, but yes, you just go all the way around. I went around twice just to make sure it was in there sturdy enough. And this is what it should look like. It's kind of uncomfortable looking, but you know, as long as your foot can fit, that's all that matters. And I go through and I cut the other bear. On this one, however, I cut a little bit of the extra lining around the line I cut. Because the other shoe was a little tight. It was a little snug around my foot. So with this one, I opted to give myself more space to see how that turned out. And I just went around and did the same thing. I sewed the sock all the way around. And then I sewed their little hands and feet together to make it really look like a house shoe and not just like you're walking around with a bear on your foot. So yes, I just sewed the hands and feet together, and that's it. And you don't really have to worry about the thread showing. I know that's something I was worried about at first, but the bears are so fluffy that the thread basically just disappeared as I was sewing. So it's not even anything you gotta worry about. I used orange thread too. But after you sew the hands and feet together, you're pretty much done. And these are the final results. Ta-da! They still look a little bit uncomfortable, but they super cute at the same time. Right here, just make sure your foot fits and everything. Mine's did. This is what they look like on. Super cute or whatever. And yeah, that's how you make your own bear slides. Like I said, it's so easy. It's ridiculous. Anybody could do this. I got these stuffed animals at Five Below, but I know Walmart has them. They have little stuffed animals and stuff like $5, so you can get some berries from there. You could get some berries from anywhere, honestly. And yeah, it's hella easy. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to show me some love in the comments. Give me a little like because that'll help my channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm on my road to 1K and beyond, honestly. So if you like videos like this, stay tuned for more. And I'll see you guys in my next video.